All right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This channel is for educational purposes, and we look into great theories and concepts and discoveries that you might not be familiar with, because the powers that be are keeping you from this information. And um, I guess that's probably not the only force. You are keeping yourself from this information because in many cases it doesn't give you the information you want. Some of it is the truth hurts variety, and you have to dig deep within your own mental and emotional reserves to access some of this information. Um, you may be tempted to just want to turn it off, um, but if you are a truther, you kind of have to sit through it and um, wrestle with it. This is a segment that we have called Your Blind Side, and this is addressed to the truthers and anons and patriots and diggers out there, conspiracy theorists who um, I believe have contributed to the winning of the info war, the defeat of the globalists. But that defeat, uh, that victory, will be a Pyrrhic victory uh, if we don't cash in right here. And so we're at the cash in stage, which is really the implementation. Uh, Now that we may have some kind of control, what are we going to implement? And if we're not prepared to do that, which we're not, then we're just going to implement the cabal's old system again, because our systems are infected with their systems. And this is particularly true of our religious books. The Bible was written by the Romans, the Caesars, the Flavian dynasty of Caesars. Nobody talks about this, but it's pretty obvious. And the entire patriot community is going to be uh, very embarrassed and somewhat disgraced and discredited when this actually does come out, because it's been out there for years and years and years, but not a single one of the patriots has addressed it, not even in passing in the 10 years that I've been paying attention to this. Um, and so that shows me that the truthers don't really care about truth. They're just wanting to regain power. And you can kind of see this in a lot of the happenings in the info war. Um, it's gotten flat out stupid out there in many ways. Just the bickering and the pettiness and the power struggles and the exposures. Um, I know some of it is kayfabe. I know some of it is psyops, and it's attempted to wake up the catatonic. And but I see some of the what I would consider be the more awake crowd falling into it also. They fall into the us versus them type of rhetoric, and also uh, fitting into the uh, oh, these people are so stupid variety. And you know, I I don't see that. I just, um, some of these libtards, leftists out there, I know them personally, and I know they're not stupid. that it's just a psychological disorder, um, a mental disorder. Not only the TDS, but also the cognitive dissonance, and to a certain extent, a little bit of maybe hubris, where they're actually, a lot of them are actually very intelligent, and they are not used to kind of being put in their place, and they very much underestimated the Patriots. They, like me, considered the Patriots to be a bunch of white supremacists, you know, hicks and Bible thumping, um, you know, sheltered, um, kind of insular uh, people with no substance. And, I figured out that that wasn't true, but because I grew up in an area like that. And a lot of my friends from growing up were people like that, and I knew they weren't racist. But I still accepted it for a while because it was just uh, kind of not worth it to stick up for them, you know, to stick out by sticking up for them. And um, so, to a certain extent, these people have egg on their face, and they're going to bend over backwards to avoid uh, the reckoning that's coming, where they are demonstrated to be in the wrong here. But the Patriots need to be better than that, and not to have the Schadenfreude, and not to have the desire for retribution that they buy popcorn and, um, pay money to go see executions and stuff like that, because there's a lot more work that needs to be done. And the first set of the work that needs to be done is red pilling ourselves by going into our personal library of conditionings, beliefs, rituals, habits, um, values, and scrutinizing them to see if they really stand up to evidence, facts, and evidence, because they don't. Um, they just haven't been scrutinized. The scrutiny of the Patriot movement has gone only skin deep. It's red pilled you to a certain extent, red pilled you to make you think that you are awake. Um, but there's um, really, this is a process, it's an awakening, and it has to be done continually. You know, I woke up, so to speak, probably 40 years ago, but practically every year I get a new red pill, which is like, whoa, I overlooked that. Uh, wow, I thought I was awake, but now I'm seeing this, and now I'm seeing that. And I'm sure later or sometime this year, same thing will happen again. And I'll be embarrassed for a little while. Like, how could I not see that? Boy, I must have looked like an idiot. But that's just part of the process. And you always feel, well, it's better to know than to not know, even if it's not pleasant. Um, so that is what's in store for all of us. Continual awakenings, and we have to bring those on through our our our, our daily routines. Um, daily meditation, daily introspection, scrutiny, study, and grounding, which includes hard cardio and um, yoga, meditation, yoga for flexibility, not only physical but mental flexibility. And these are things that will do you a lot more good than um, another bowl of popcorn. Okay, like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute, and come back. And remember, have a great day, and remember to watch your blind side.